Good morning, Pranavi. Good morning. Good morning, Tejwardhan. Good morning, children. Good morning, Himanshu. Good morning, Shailu. Good morning, Benedict.
मेरा नाम भी बोला
सभी का नाम बोलेंगे. लोहिताक्षा, नंदकिशोर, Harsha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
इधर
No talking, no talking. If you are talking, I'm able to hear everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. Madhav, how is your mummy? The mother was not well. Is she okay today?
Fine, ma'am.
Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Good morning, Emily. Good morning. Sis.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'll mute you all and we'll start the lesson. Okay, children?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay. Everybody ready for the class? Very good. DK Singh is Ayush. Okay. Last week, we read about a little fish story. Isn't it, children? Put a thumbs up. Yes? You enjoyed the story? So today we'll just see the story once again and then we'll start the lesson. Ritvika, I want you to, very good, Ritvika, very good. Sit and then listen. Okay. So today again, we are going to see the story once again and then we'll start the lesson. Okay.
A
Able to
little
hear?
fish story.
Able to hear?
There are a great many million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. Now, this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented, but he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. One day, he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he, when suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight. And just as its hole was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the pool wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt! He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish.
So, did you all hear the story? Enjoy the story? Yes. Now I'll ask you some questions. Nafisa, tell me. Nafisa, how many fish, unmute and tell me. How many fish were there in the sea?
So many.
How many?
So many.
So many. Jitesh, How many fish were there in the sea?
Millions of fishes.
Millions of fish were there. Okay, very good, Sritesh. Sri Harsha, unmute yourself and tell me. Was the fish happy? Was the little fish happy? Tell me. No, the little fish was very unhappy. Okay. Benedict, why was the little fish unhappy? Unmute and tell me. Unmute. Why was the little fish unhappy? The fish was unhappy. Why was the little fish unhappy? Chandana, why was the little fish unhappy?
Because it was very small.
Because the fish was very small. It
Very
felt sad. The fish was small. It felt very sad because it saw so many fish bigger than it. And so it felt, see, I am the only small fish and so big fishes, so many big fishes are there in the sea. So, Shailu, unmute and tell me, Shailu. Yes. What happened one day as it was swimming with the other fish? What happened one day? What happened to the fishes one day? Emmeline, unmute and tell me. What happened? Tell me, what happened to the fishes one day? They were? Who knows the answer? Avyukt, tell me. What happened to the fishes one day? Unmute and tell me, Avyukt.
They got caught in a great net.
Very good. Tejwardhan also is saying, yes, I know.
They went to the school.
Yeah, when the fish were all swimming in their school, they were caught in the great meshes of the net. They were caught in the net. Now, Tejwardhan, tell me. Tejwardhan, tell me. Okay. Now, the little fish felt lucky. Why did the little fish feel lucky?
Because it was small and it was so small. It go in the sea.
It could escape from the net, isn't it?
Yes.
Tejwardhan? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, it felt lucky because it could escape from the net. Ritvika, sit down, child. Sit and come on, sit in one place. Ritvika, Ritvika, yes. So, it felt very lucky that it was able to escape from the net. The big fish were caught in the net, but because of its size, it could escape from the net and it felt very lucky. That was the story, isn't it, Lohitaksha? Lohitaksha? Okay, tell me, Lohitaksha, unmute yourself. What is the opposite of small? What is the opposite of small? Small.
Fish.
Big. Small, big. Okay, small, big. Nafisa. Nafisa. One. I'm sorry. One.
Present, ma'am.
Many. Okay. Now, I'm going to share something now. I want you all to see. Again, I'm going to share. Now, in this slide we see one day he was swimming along the rest of his school. What is there here? School. What does school mean? Was it going to school like you all? Saiful, yes, Avyukt also knows. We'll ask Saiful. Saiful, unmute yourself and tell me. Was the fish going to school?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Avyukt, tell me, was the fish going to school? Avyukt, unmute yourself. Benedict, tell me. Was the fish Benedict, unmute and tell me. Was the fish going to school like you all?
No.
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 What does school mean then? What does school mean? I told you already.
Group.
Very
Group.
good. Very good. Very good. So you all remember. Very good. So here school of fish means a group, a collection of fish. And so today we are going to learn some more collections. Yes? Ready for it? After that, I'm going to ask you questions. Everybody has to answer. Yes, children? Yes? So first I'll take attendance. I'll just take the screenshot and then we are going to have our class. And today 36 participants have come. I'm happy. 36, including Madhav Mahida, 36. But I want all 44 to come. I'll be very happy for all 44 of you come. Okay, anyhow. Now I'm going to, today Jahnavi is also there. Very good. Jahnavi is also there today with us. Very good. So I'm going to share something now. Able to see, children? Yes. Now here you see one paper, one sheet of paper. And we have, when we have number of papers, then we say papers. But when papers are put together, then we say it is a ream of papers. What do we say? Ream of papers. Shailu, did you understand? One paper, many papers. When many papers are there together, then we say ream. What do we say? Ream. Pranavi understood? All of you repeat. Ream. R-E-A-M. Ream. Okay. Now, one matchstick. One matchstick. Many matches. A box of matches. What is it? A box of matches. These are all collection. One match, a box of matches. Collections. One flower. One flower, a bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch of flowers. One singer, a choir of singers. Choir means what? A group of singers singing together. You have a prayer group in your school, isn't it? When we have the assembly, prayer group is there. In the same way here, a choir of singers. See, all of them are singing, opening their mouth and singing nicely. Choir, we call it as a choir of singers. One singer, a choir of singers. One cow, a herd of cow, many cows together. Tejvardhan is feeling sleepy. Did not take bath. Took bath. A herd of cows. What is it? A herd. H-E-R-D, herd. Many cows together. A herd of cows. One cow, a herd of cows. One player. One player. A team of players. A team of players. A team of players. One stone. A heap of stones. A heap of stones. One fruit. One apple. A basket of fruit. See, so many different kinds of fruits are there. A basket of fruit. One fruit, a basket of fruit. One tree. One tree, a clump of trees. See, so many trees together. We say a clump of trees. A clump, C-L-U-M-P, clump of trees. One star, a galaxy of stars. Many stars are there, a galaxy of stars. One house, a row of houses. A row of houses. Okay. Now, did you all understand, children? Lohitaksha, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Now shall I ask questions? I'll ask some questions. Okay. Whomever I ask must answer. Okay. Now, now Chandrika. Only
Yes, ma'am.
don't say yes and no. Chandrika. 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 What do we call collection?
Galaxy.
Very good.
Galaxy of stars.
Now, children, I said, whomever I ask must answer. Jitesh, Surichandana, you're all shouting. If you say once, it is okay.
Ma'am?
I want whomever I say must answer. Now, Madhav and Mahidhar. So it is. Okay.
One galaxy stars.
Okay, that is gone. We'll do it again. We'll do it again, children. A star, then a galaxy of stars. Okay. Now, Madhav. A fruit. Only Madhav will answer. Madhav. A fruit. Abhinav, tell me then. Abhinav, a fruit. A basket. A basket of fruit. A basket of fruit. Okay. Now, Nandkishore.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandkishore, tell me. A cow.
All cows. Many cows.
Many cows, okay. A group, a collection. A herd of
cows.
A herd of cows. Okay. Okay. Lohitaksha. A singer. A singer.
Chor.
Not chore. What is it called?
All of singers.
Choir of singers. Choir. Very good. Choir of singers. Okay. Now, a paper. I want. Wait. I want Shailu to answer. A paper. Shailu will answer. Shailu.
My paper.
Sakshi. Very good. A ream of paper.
Ream of papers.
Yes. Did you understand, children? Did you all understand the collection?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one paper, a collection of papers is called a ream of papers. One star, a galaxy of stars. One fruit, a basket of fruits. One stick, a bundle of sticks. Okay. One stick, a bundle of sticks. One fish, a school of fish. Yes, this is called collection. What do you call it? Collection. Okay. Very good. 37 participants have come. Who is this Z1BMOH? Who is this Z1BMOH? फिर से तुम स्वरांजलि, फिर से तुम ओपो ज्वाइन किया है. Z1BMOH कौन है बाबा? Z1B MOH कौन है? Otherwise, you'll not get attendance. Tejvardhan. Tejvardhan every day. Okay. Okay. Now you have understood the collection. Now I'm going to show something else also. Okay. Now let us see one more thing. Now here you're able to see, no? One day he was swimming along with the rest of the school. We have finished collection. Now, the bird says, it is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. He would say over and over again, if I were only larger, how much happier. So here what is happening? ER is added. ER is added. Happy, happier. Large, larger. So here comparison. He's saying he's small. He wants to be little larger. So this comparison we are going to study now. This comparison. Okay. Let us see the presentation. Ravi is tall, but Rohan is taller. Tall, taller. So here what is added? What is added to tall? ER is added. What is added? ER is added to, and it is making it taller. Tall, taller. This man is thin, but this man is thinner. THIN. Here letter is getting doubled. ER is added. Thinner. Now, we know that a house sparrow is small, but hummingbird is smaller. House sparrow is small, but hummingbird is smaller than the house sparrow, smaller. Comparing two things. When we are comparing two things, ER is added. ER is added. Now this girl, beautiful girl, she is young, but her sister is younger. What is she? She is little younger. YOUNGER. ER is added. Younger. Now, this man is old. He is 70 years. And this man is 80 years. So who is older? This man is older. This man is older than this man. This man is older than this man. Now this apple is big, but this apple is bigger than this apple. So here again, G is getting doubled and ER is added. Bigger, big, bigger. Now we know this is our earth and this is the moon. Earth and moon. The earth is larger than the moon. The earth is larger. What is added? ER is added. Larger than the moon. The earth is larger than the moon. Now these books are heavy, but these files are heavier. So what is the spelling of heavier? HEAVIER. Here what is happening? ER is added, but instead of Y is changing to I and ER is added. Heavier, heavier. Now these are two flowers. This is a poppy flower, very beautiful. In the same way, rose also very beautiful flower. But I find rose is lovelier. LOVEL instead of Y, I and ER. Lovelier. So rose is lovelier than the poppy flower. Now here you find a parrot and here you find a green bee eater. Now both have their tails are long, but a parrot's tail is longer, long-tailed parakeet. So long, longer. ER is added. Longer. Okay. Now, did you understand, children? When you are comparing, what is added? Varshika, when you are comparing, unmute yourself and tell me what is added. When you are comparing, what is added to the word to make it comparative? Ritvika, what is added to the word to make it comparative?
Larger.
What is added to large? Jitesh,
Yes.
tell me what is added to the word to make it comparative?
ER.
ER is added. Yes, Madhav is also telling, Mahidhar is also telling. What is added to it? ER is added. ER is added. 39 participants. Very fine. Good, good. I'm very happy. 39 participants have come today out of 44, 43. Okay. Today, even I think Janavi has come, Abhiram, very good. So, what is added to make it comparative? ER is added to the word to make it comparative. Okay, children?
Yes.
Yes. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'll ask some questions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share the blackboard. Now, I want Madhav to answer. Large.
Larger.
LARGER. What is added? ER is added. Larger. What is added to it? ER. ER is added. Yes. Okay. Now, I want Lohitaksha to answer. Lohitaksha, unmute and then answer. Lohitaksha. Okay. Now, HEAVY. HEAVY. Okay, tell me the spelling, Lohitaksha. Lohitaksha, tell me the spelling. HEAVY. Y. Instead of Y, what should come? IER. Very good. Instead of Y, what is coming? I. And then ER is added. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now, I want Himanshu to answer. Unmute and tell me. Himanshu, yes. Now tell me SMALL. Small? You don't answer. Jitesh, don't answer. Benedict, tell me. Small? Spelling? SMALLER. Okay, smaller. Now, Ayush, unmute and tell me. Ayush, unmute karo. Very good. Tall. Spelling? EALLER. Okay. Now, Sahash, unmute. Yes, ma'am. And tell me, lovely. 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 Sahash.
V-I-E-R.
V-I-E-R. Very good. Sahash, tell me the spell. Sri Harsha, tell me the spelling. L-O. L-O-V. L-I-E-R. Lovelier. Yes. So, did you all understand? Chandrika, did you understand? Comparisons, did you understand? Comparisons. Lovely, lovelier. When we are comparing two things, ER is added. ER is added. Okay.
Yes.
Kritika understood? Kritika understood? Very good. Ayush understood? Put your thumbs up if you have understood. Ritvika? Yes.
Yes,
And also you understood what is the collection called as? Yes? Collection. School, school of fish, bundle of sticks, all that galaxy of stars. Those are called, what are called? They are called the collections. Yes? Yes, children? Now I'm going to share one more thing. Okay? Able to see, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, singing or crying. Mahesh, I want everybody to mute. Okay. Okay. And don't answer. Okay. Now, Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Why are you crying, Mahesh? He asks. Mahesh says, I'm not crying. I'm singing an English song. What is Mahesh doing? Ayush, tell me. What is Mahesh? Singing a song. Singing an English song. English song. Now, Mahesh sings a dash song. Long or little? Very good, Shailu. Very good. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little song. Okay. Venkatesh looks or shouts at him. Venkatesh, what is he doing? Looking or shouting at him?
Looks.
Very good. Shailu, unmute and then tell.
Looks.
Venkatesh looks. See, it is here now. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Venkatesh looks at him. Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is crying, laughing. Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is
crying.
Why are you crying? He's asking. No. Why are you crying, Mahesh?
Crying.
So Venkatesh thinks that he is crying. Then what Mahesh is saying? Mahesh is, what is he doing? Mahesh is not crying. I'm singing.
Please.
The song is in English, Telugu.
English.
It is an English.
If you want to tell.
Song. Yes.
Told all the answers.
Yes. Now, so you have read the lesson. All of you read the lesson. You have read the spellings of the lesson. You have read the meanings of the lesson. You have done question answers of the lesson. What happened, Abhiram? Are you sleeping? Abhiram is sleeping? I want you to sit straight. Yes, Abhiram? Yes. Okay. So, and we have done collection of things. We have done comparison. Everybody understood what we have learned? Any doubts in what we have learned? No? So today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to post question answers. You are going to write neatly in your notebook. Just immediately after this, I'm going to post you. And then you're going to write it neatly in your notebooks. And then, Janavi, look at me. Yes, you're going to write. And also I posted the subject enrichment activities. You have to do it in your Madhav. Madhav and Mahidhar, look at me. Subject enrichment activities have to be done in 100 pages single rule notebook. 100 pages single rule notebook में तुम्हें ये सभी subject 5 activities I have sent. Write it and send to me in WhatsApp. I'll put a tick mark. Marks will be given and sent to you. ठीक है ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? आज क्या करेंगे, बाय सैटरडे संडे तक तुम लोग मुझे सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटीज पूरा कर कर मुझे भेजेंगे. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दैट? यस चिल्ड्रन? यस. So bye for now. Have a wonderful day. I'll send this recording. Okay children? Bye children.